Well, I own Friendship Paint and Body Shop, which is right down the road, and got itching, wanted to expand. So I was talking to Susan. I said, my background's automotive. I ran dealerships, the service department for dealerships. And I'm like, let's do an automotive center. And we talked about it, and we chose this one. It was the best choice.
Good location.
We're across the street from the magnificent Suwannee Town Center, right beside the Suwannee Police Department on Buford Highway.
I was in sales and marketing prior to this, so this is a whole new industry for me. And as a woman consumer, when I would walk into a auto repair shop, I just thought, okay, here's the target. I'm gonna get hit in any minute now. I was just a walking, target. So people could just take advantage of me. Being a woman in this industry, I like sitting on this side of the desk because I like to make our customers feel very comfortable and know that we're not just raking them through the leaves and that we're here to help them. It's all about integrity, being honest, offering the best service at the most reasonable price for everybody.
I ran dealerships, service departments, and it was always about the numbers. And they were always pushing this and always pushing that. And it would almost make you have to sell things that didn't really, truly need to be sold so you can meet your numbers. And I'm not that way. Having our own shop, it's about that customer, and did we take care of that customer and give that customer exactly what they needed and no more. My motto's always been, even when we opened up the body shop, I'm not here to make a killing today. I'm here to make a living tomorrow. And it's all about building a customer base that will come back over and over and over again. We want the second generation and maybe the third generation.
Mm-hmm. And we're seeing it.
We are seeing it.
But that's why also we've decided to go with a NAPA program, because we know that NAPA products are high quality products, and the NAPA guarantee. And that's something that we can extend to our customers.
I looked at every single program. I wanted to know who's the best, what's the best for the customers, what's the best warranty, what's the best parts. Price, I did not look at. Okay? Everybody can say they have the cheapest prices. I'm not looking at the cheapest, I want the best. And I wanted the best for the customers, nationwide, because people drive everywhere. So I chose NAPA. I have a 36-month, 36,000-mile warranty nationwide. How many thousands of NAPA shops can my customers go to? And so it's really a peace of mind when that customer walks out that door with that piece of paper on there going, this is the warranty I have. Wherever they go on vacation, wherever they move to, they're covered. And that's what we go after. I sell the highest grade NAPA parts there are. I'm not trying to make you cheap, with cheap parts. Most people, that's what they try to sell, is cheap parts so they can get the job. I stick with the best parts, and I do. I stick with the best parts. I'm the least expensive in this entire city. I may be a little bit higher on the parts because I sell the maximum, the best parts. But in the long run, I'm the least expensive because I'm not selling you something before it's time. And that's where we stand out.
As soon as somebody walks through that door, they're getting the owners. They get Danny, they get me, they get Skylar, and by the time they leave, they're part of the family. They feel like they have finally, they finally found a place that they can, feel at home, and they know who they're dealing with. They're just happy to have finally found somebody who they can really relate to.
The name Friendship means something. It means something to our customers and to ourselves. They're friends.
Yeah, they become friends.
They become friends. We, I can't tell you how many people we hug every day.
Yeah.
It's not when they walk in that front door is, what can I get from you today?
It's just a real family atmosphere here, so that's what I really like about it.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.